Hello everyone! I will show you how to download Google Classroom. So go to the Play Store. This is where you will download the Google Classroom. I'm using Samsung cell phone. So click the Play Store, then go to the Google Play apps where you can download Google Classroom. So type Google Classroom. Then after that, click the Google Classroom, click install. So if you have internet, you can download it in just a second. So please make sure that you have Gmail. So if you don't have Gmail, just go to the Google Gmail, sign up, put your username and password. Then after that, if you have you already signed in Gmail, it is connected to the Google Classroom. So after downloading the Google Classroom, make sure that you already signed in Gmail. So they have two ways to join in Google Classroom that created by your teacher. So si teacher nag-send ng class invitation, click nyo lang yon, then join sa classroom. So, makikita nyo naman kapag nag-success siya, kung anong classroom yung napag-joinan nyo, math or reading. At ma-view nyo na kung anong subject yung na-joinan yung classroom. So, yung isa naman, class code, tapos type nyo lang, then join. So, eto naman pinapakita ko yung mga laman ng classroom na ginoinan. Sample yung reading yan. Ma-view nyo na. Makikita nyo rin kung anong lesson ng mga pinost ni teacher sa classroom. Yung classwork naman, yan yung mga lesson ni teacher na napinost na pwede nyong basahin. Yung people naman, sino-sino yung mga classmate mo. So, yan na. Success na. Naka-join na kayo sa classroom. Ito naman yung sample ng pag-review ng mga lesson ni teacher. So, click nyo lang, i-view nyo lang, slide. Tapos yun, basahin nyo.